Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about lookalike audiences on Facebook.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So I'm here in the Ads Manager. This is a business, obviously business manager here for Facebook. Basically, you just want to go into all, the three bars up here on the top, all tools, go over here to audiences, okay? And what you're going to see here is you're going to see like different data as far as like some of the pixels that's been accumulating. And you'll see these are the people that have viewed my website, okay? This is a pixel that I set up. You can go back to the video or the blog post on retargeting and I show you how to set up a pixel, okay? This is just for lookalike audiences here. So now I don't have 1,000 people that have purchased my ticket yet on the Haunted Halloween Ball, so I wouldn't recommend using this size audience under 1,000 for a lookalike audience, just because there's not enough data here. But as far as page views go, 4,100, that's enough data, okay? So all you really got to do is just click this, check it, do a custom audiences, and you're just going to create a lookalike audience, okay? And here's how you create a lookalike audience. Basically, you can go, you pull it from the pixel you want, okay? In this case, I'm using this particular pixel, okay? And we are going to go with the purchase. Let's see. And this was the view content. Oh, it's not letting me. All right, well, purchase recommended. Okay, so anyway, this is where you go and you put the purchase here, okay? And for this, I'm just going to leave this open, okay? And then what I can do when I go to target this is, since the event's just in Chicago, I will go ahead and in the target on the ad, I will just include like the 50-mile radius that I want in Chicago. But basically here, your audience size, okay? You can basically choose, well, here maybe I'll just do United States. Okay. All right, so this is your audience size. And you can see, like, as I go up, basically 1% is the closest 1% of the people that are close to the people that are in this, this purchase pixel, okay? So the 1% audience are the people that are that most look alike those people, okay? 2%, if you go to 2% lookalike audiences, you can see here, the audience size ranges from 1 to 10% of the total population in the countries you choose, with 1% being the ones that most closely match your source, okay? So as you get up in here, you'll see 10%, there's a lot more people because those people aren't as close as, like, say, the 1%ers. So it's real easy here. You just go in and you press, 1%, you create the audience, and then, okay? So basically there's my 1% lookalike audience, and then when you go to, create an ad, in your ads manager, you would actually select that 1% audience, and then you could target down your like geo from there, for example. So let's create an ad, and we'll just do engagement for now. This is just a demo. I'm not actually going to create this ad, but I'll show you guys how to do it. It's a little slow, typical Facebook here. All right, so there's our engagement. Campaign name, we'll just leave that for now. All right, so this is where we select the audience, okay? And this is where you select your lookalike, okay? And you're gonna see here the lookalike 1% right here, boom. So now that audience is selected, and we're gonna wanna do the detailed targeting here. Like, for example, if we want to go in the locations here, and we want to just include people in Chicago, okay? So now those people in Chicago, it's fewer than 1,000 people, because 1% of those close people, and in the Chicago 50-mile radius here, is only, you're only talking about 1,000 people, okay? Now, to get more people, you maybe want to go up to like a 5% lookalike or a 10% lookalike, and then you probably have like a little bit bigger pool of people to pull from, okay? when you're geo-targeting so close in such a one city of Chicago and a 50-mile radius here. Okay, but that's how you do it. Then you just go through and set up your ad, and you're ready to go. I mean, that's a lookalike audience. Hopefully you guys learned something today. If you are new to the channel, I do talk entrepreneurial, Facebook advertising, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, cryptocurrency. That's what we talk about on this channel. If you are new, go ahead and consider subscribing and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new coming videos. And if you guys got any comments for me below or you got any suggestions, I'm happy to hear them or answer any questions. I would appreciate a comment below. And if you are new, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I welcome you to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed today. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.